Hey guys, this is Chris here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a step-by-step fashion model figure. The most important thing to remember when you're doing fashion model kind of drawings is to keep it as sketchy as possible and to make sure that you're placing emphasis on the clothes and the form as opposed to the actual figure itself. So just going to want to just basically show where the eyes and the nose and the features are. By just doing that, you can do a cross in the face. Then the way I like to do it sometimes is to draw the shoulders kind of up like that. Arms very flowy. Just make sure you got the features in there, but nothing is really defined in terms of the body. And then you got the waist and the chest here. Goes to about there, and you're going to follow this line down. Just to about there. And then you don't, a lot of times you don't really have to place very much emphasis on the feet because the emphasis is going to be on the clothes that are fitting the model. So you can just draw feet just kind of as, if you want, you can kind of just make them very sketchy and outlined. Go back here for the outline of the leg. And another leg here. And back of the knee. And the feet. Maybe she's got her other arm kind of behind and down like that. But yeah, like I said, the emphasis is just make it as flowy as possible and try to keep it sketchy. I'm using a marker, using a pen or a black marker is probably the best bet for that. Maybe you want to give the skin a little bit of color too. So if you have an orange marker or a flesh tone would be the best to color in the flesh and differentiate the skin tone from the clothes that are going to be on the form. But there you go, guys. That's how you do a fashion model figure. So good luck and stay creative. Make some clothes.